SDL Avalis, living space in its most beautiful form. If you've been looking for an elegant way to expand your living space, then look no further than the SDL Avalis. Maximum transparency, clear lines, and slender sight lines. The SDL Avalis isn't a winter garden in the traditional sense. It's a modern extension to your living space. And we can design this living space to suit your individual needs. However you want to use it, we can make it the right size, shape, and color for you. Individuality is also our watchword when it comes to what's under the SDL Avalis, the vertical glazing. Choose between sliding windows from our Zero range or Solarlux bifolding doors made of wood or aluminium. Of course, you can also complement these vertical glass elements with whatever shading you want. For example, you can choose external shades such as standard or Venetian blinds, or internal shading as an alternative. The SDL Avalis is available with either a closed roof or a skylight, as you can see here. The skylight can be designed to suit your individual needs, made of wood like this one here, or aluminium. And of course, you can also add shading to the skylight in the form of either an under roof or an external roof awning. If you have any more questions about the SDL Avalis, please contact your local expert consultant.